Konnichiwa, manga big love people! If you draw manga, which do you like, analog or digital? Here, welcome to my atelier! Me is your manga teacher, Eva Irish, creator type Vtuber! We did test you are mangaka type or no before. This time lesson 10 is analog manga or digital manga. Let's study about it and we will do just a little quiz. Let's study and quiz together. Kids, 작색. The first, we will study about a different analog manga or digital manga. Analog manga is we use paper and pen. We can feel realistic drawing. And digital manga, it's we use tablet and tablet pen. We can easily copy and paste and edit. Analog manga good point is easy start. We can easily do feel drawing. And bad point is you need a lot of space for your artwork. Not easily to fix mistake and work only desk or table. And next, digital manga's good point is easily to fix mistake. You can drawing anywhere. You can correct your drawing data in USB. And bad point is the device is expensive. If your device broken, your data have risk. Oh no! Quiz time! Let's answer my quiz. You are analog type or digital type? Number 1. Do you like feeling, drawing, paper and pen? Number 2. Do you like fix mistake easily? Number 3. Do you want drawing anywhere? And number 4. Do you want start cheap? If you answer yes, number 1 and 4, you are analog type. If you answer yes, number 2 and 3, you are digital type. So, which type are you? Tell me about your type in my comment. Next video we'll talk about manga tools. If you enjoyed my lesson, subscribe, watch. Are you interested in my video? Please good button, watch. Thank you for watching. I'm glad if we can meet next time. ありがとうございました。